This 1967 Chevrolet Corvette convertible is finished in white over saddle leather upholstery and is powered by a 427 cubic inch V8 that is backed by a 4-speed manual transmission and a Positraction differential. The 427 cubic inch V8 is equipped with 3 2-barrel Holley carburetors and was factory rated at 435 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. The fiberglass body left the factory finished in Ermine White. A side exit exhaust system with heat shields is installed, and a Stinger hood with black accents. The 15-inch rally wheels wear chrome trim rings and center caps and are mounted with Firestone Super Sport redline tires. The car features a fully independent suspension with upper and lower control arms at the front and a 3-link setup with transverse leaf spring in the rear. Braking is handled by power-assisted 4-wheel disc brakes. The cabin features 2 bucket seats upholstered in saddle leather and color-coordinated door panels and carpets. The wood grain rimmed steering wheel frames a 160-mile-per-hour speedometer, a tachometer with a 6,500 RPM redline, and auxiliary gauges. Amenities include a heater, a vertical push-button AM/FM radio, an analog clock, and lap belts. Decoding the trim tag reveals the following information: D23, November 23rd production. Style 67467, making it a 1967 Corvette convertible. The body code of S2493 indicates the St. Louis body number. The trim code of 421 indicates saddle leather interior. And the paint code of 972AA indicates Ermine White. This is a big block classic ready to drive. Whether you enjoy weekend drives, car shows, or want a head turner that no one can match, this is an investment worth considering. For more information, call LRA today at 215-781-3790 or email us at sales@lrasales.com. A 1967 435 horsepower rated 427 4-speed Corvette. Those are some of the most iconic words and numbers in the history of American automobiles, and this one could be yours. Contact LRA today to make your big block dreams come true.